Get safe in your left, please. What do you think the distance from the pavement?
Too far.
Too far, yeah. And signal off, please. Do you apply signal first or do you check mirror first?
Check mirror.
So you got the answers, you got the knowledge, yeah? And you knew that you're too far. So what is stopping you not to go a bit more? And you took decent time to stop, so no problem with that. That's positive. You allow people to just overtake it, but you kept going for too long, which is fine if you want to do this. Nothing wrong with it. But still,
Too far.
maybe, yeah. Okay, once you're ready, move off, please. I wouldn't apply a signal if I'm not moving yet.
Okay.
I don't want to confuse people behind me.
Okay. So, stop.
I do the 6-point check again very quickly before last car go. 3, 2, 1 now signal. And that's how we move. Leave the brake, that's it. Check the right mirror again.